up, friends? Welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw ADHD man from Dogman. So first, let's get started by drawing in the center. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle right in the middle of our page. And now let's start back in the center on the top, and again we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then in on the bottom. In the center now we're going to draw in a curved line, arching this the whole way across. Now for the arms on both sides, starting on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we're going to do the same thing, lining this up at the same height on the right, bringing this all the way around and then back down again. Let's step over on the inside now. We're going to curve this line around and then down. Now for the hands, for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Starting from that point, we're going to curve this line back around and then up. Again from that point, arching this line around, back up. Again, moving over, curving this line in. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line around. And we're going to continue this as we come down, so just leaving an even amount of space as we come all the way down towards our hand. And let's keep moving down. And now one last time for the wrist. Now moving underneath, let's draw on the legs. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down. And then moving over again, let's replicate that. Now from the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the top. Now on the ankle, we're going to curve this line around and over. Let's move up, leaving a small gap, replicating that. Again, moving up. And then again, one last time. Now moving over towards the bottom, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to bring our diagonal line up towards the center. And now from here, bringing this back out on the side. Now moving in, we're going to draw in 2 more diagonal lines as we come down. For the toe here, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving across, curving this line down towards the center. And then again, one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw ADHD. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.